This listening task is for TEAP studiers. The full course is on mksenglish.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. For this listening task, I'd like you to listen to the story one time and answer the 5 questions afterwards. You can listen to the story more than once, but in a test environment, you would only be able to listen to the story one time. Are you ready? Let's give this a try. Good luck. Time management and academic success. Today, we're going to talk briefly about time management and how it affects academic performance. Many students entering university struggle to keep up with their coursework, not because they don't understand the material, but because they don't manage their time well. Research shows that students who plan their week in advance tend to get higher grades and feel less anxious. Even setting aside 10 minutes every Sunday night to plan your week can make a big difference. One method students often find helpful is time blocking. This means dividing your day into chunks of time and assigning each block to a specific activity, like reading, writing, or revising. It's a way to make sure you're not wasting time deciding what to do next. Another tip is to avoid multitasking. For example, trying to study while texting friends or watching videos can actually reduce your ability to concentrate and remember information. Instead, focus on one task at a time. And remember, your brain needs rest to work properly. Short breaks between study sessions, good sleep habits, and regular exercise are not just good for your health. They actually help you study better. So the key message is this: time management is not just about doing more things. It's about doing the right things at the right time, with enough time left to take care of yourself. Question number 1. What is the main reason university students struggle with their coursework, according to the speaker? A. The material is too advanced. B. They are distracted by sports. C. Poor time management. Or D. They don't attend lectures. Question number 2. What does the speaker say about weekly planning? A. It's unnecessary for most students. B. It helps improve grades and reduces anxiety. C. It takes too much time. D. It only works for part-time students. Question number 3. What is time blocking? A. Studying only during the night. B. Avoiding social activities during exam session. C. Scheduling specific tasks into blocks of time. Or D. Blocking apps and websites while studying. Question number 4. Why should students avoid multitasking? A. It helps you finish work faster. B. It makes studying more reliable. C. It reduces focus and memory. D. It improves listening skills. Last question. According to the speaker, what is the relationship between rest and studying? A. Rest and study are unrelated. B. Too much rest can reduce productivity. C. Proper rest improves learning and concentration. D. Students should avoid exercise before studying.